All right, Suburban Bassin here, and today we're out on the mighty Susquehanna River to do a little camping, fishing, and everything in between. The original plan was to go out to the North Chesapeake, but I could not find a place to launch my kayak, which is saying something, because you guys know I will launch my kayak anywhere, anyhow. But we're here, the water looks amazing, and it is definitely looking fishy. So let's see what we can do. Let's get it. All right, my first goal of the day, before I even catch a fish, is gonna be find a place on this island that I can beach the kayak, set up camp, get something cooking, you know? And then we're gonna be fishing all night. Brought chicken liver, worms, you know, catch some little bluegills, something like that. Maybe some white perch. I don't even know what's in here. And then we're gonna use that as bait for some big boys. There's striper, and this is a legendary smallmouth fishery. So we'll see what happens. I'm kind of out of my element here, but that only stops me sometimes. So let's get it. All right, guys. Finally taking my first steps on the island. And there's a little duck hunt shelter here. Just kind of cool. I don't even really need to bring my tent, huh? Could have just lived in here. Got a little door and everything. Check this out. Whew. Heck yeah. Wow, I really didn't even need to bring the tent. I could have just slept here. Ooh, would have made it a lot easier to pedal that kayak. That's crazy. Look at this thing. That's pretty cool. Nice little stool and stuff. Easy peasy. But no, we're not actually gonna use this guy's structure. So this is a cool island though. I'm feeling it. Just gonna do some exploring before I say, oh, there's a house up here. Yo, forget a duck hut. There's a whole house right up in here. There's a whole house on this island. This little place has a whole house on it. I was not expecting that. It's kind of crazy. Now it looks very abandoned. So I think I might be okay still. But that is crazy. That is wild. Spooky. It's a little weird. I was not expecting that one. I did zero research before coming out here. I don't even know if it's technically allowed, but we'll see if someone stops me, right? All right, so this is actually a security camera. And over here, we have a little sign that says no trespassing. So I didn't see any of that the way I came in, but I'm gonna follow the signs. I don't know how they're gonna get out here to stop me technically, but there's like 3 or 4 islands over here, and yeah, we'll just go to one of those instead. Should be fine. The last thing I expected to see out here was a house and a whole yard and everything. That's crazy. Too funny. I guess this means more paddling for me, but at least we're on some islands now, and I saw fish jumping on my way up here, so you know, I have a good feeling about the fishing too. It should be cool. It should be a fun night. Here we go. All right, let's keep paddling. More to see. There's like 5 more islands right in here. Let's check it out. I would love to know the story behind that place though. Kind of cool. There's a nice little landing platform right there, but I think we can do even better than this, so I'm gonna keep paddling. All right, here's another nice potential place to pitch the tent. I'd have a nice rock to cast off of, but I'm gonna go a little bit further. You know, I never like choosing a camping spot until I've seen all of my options, or at least all the options I'm willing to paddle to. Could be a mean topwater bite right now, but Man, I think finding this perfect camping spot's a little more important because, yeah, we got all night to fish, you know? We got all night. We only have another hour to paddle against this stupid current. All right, boys. I think we found our spot right in here. It's a nice clearing with some rocks. The current kind of swooshes around, so hopefully there'll be some big fish waiting to ambush things that get stuck in that current. And it's gonna make the fishing pretty good for us. All right, this is our second time beaching the kayak. Let's take a look around. First thing I'm noticing is a crazy fire pit full of garbage. So it's cool having a fire pit though. This is a perfect place to pitch the tent too. Lots of rocks and a nice little trail around the water too. So it looks like I have a few options for places to cast. Yeah, this is looking not too shabby. I'm liking it. We get right out here. Access to the current, which is where some of these little smallmouth might be hiding. Oh, what's this? Look at this, guys. Oh, talk about a perfect spot to cast. Whoo! This looks too nice. Look at that. All these sticks piled up means that the current is flowing right into here. And it's just a perfect opening to take some casts. Look at that. Woo! We got some good eddies. Plenty of current. Plenty of potential. Ooh. Yeah, guys, I think this is gonna be the spot. And I'm not just saying that because I am sick of paddling against the current. I am saying it because this spot looks mean. Ooh, this looks juicy. I think there's a lot of potential right here. Let's get on some fish. First step is gonna be to get this kayak nice and secure. So, hopefully that'll do it. I don't know how high the water level could possibly rise, but I do not want this thing blown away. Next step is going to be to get everything out of that bag and set up the tent. Luckily, we got a pretty nice even spot right here to pitch it. And not too far away from the fire pit either, so that's cool. I don't know how I get this lucky finding camping spots, but I tend to find good ones. This was not pre-planned. I got fire pit, access to the water and everything. So this is just like I envisioned it. Made it happen. All right, we're actually gonna do it like this. All right, and it was just that easy. I'm actually not gonna put a cover on top of it just because I like sleeping under the stars. And it's not supposed to rain or anything, so you really don't need it. You guys probably don't know this, but this exact gear kept me alive for 4 months on the West Coast, all last summer. Just that exact pillow, sleeping bag, mattress, and tent. Man, I was living the life out in Yosemite, the Rockies, Utah, you name it. But today, we're somewhere where there's actually fish, which is gonna make the camping a lot better. All right, guys, I was on my way to the fishing spot I scouted out when it was still daylight, and I saw a skunk, a freaking skunk. I've never seen one like in the wild before, and it freaked me out. I didn't know what it was. I thought it was a cat. I was like, what am I even looking at? It was just crazy. I was actually so creeped out. Like, just started like hissing. I don't know. I mean, I'm from the suburbs. You know, there's skunks out there, but not really. So that was crazy. I've never ran into one just in the woods. I don't think he got me. I don't think he skunked me. But, man, if I come home smelling like just straight doo-doo, like that's why. I went exploring a decent amount, did some casts, not really feeling it. So back at the camp, got the big rod set up, and I'm gonna try to start a fire. All right, we're on them. We're on something pretty big. Oh, did he get off? Well, we've lost one big fish so far, but that means they're in there, and that means our bait is working, right? So we also got the fire going. Very good, keeping us warm, keeping the bugs away. And this is looking like a whole campsite, to be honest. Just waiting to hear that drag click again. I'll get them this time. I think I just like set the hook too fast, to be honest, but I don't know. I've never been very good at catfishing, so I could be doing anything wrong, not gonna lie. Man, the woods are so much less creepy when you're warming your hands by a fire. It's like, I know none of those skunks are gonna come mess with me now. At least I hope they don't. Fishing's not going great. Still not another bite since I lost that first one. But yeah, line's in the water, anything could happen. And until then, I'm gonna cook up some clam chowder because it looks like fish is not on the menu. At least not anytime soon. It's good soup. That's good stuff, man. Usually there's two things I know how to do. It's fishing and campfires. Today it seems like it's just campfires. But that's okay. You know, I mean, fishing a new place, big old river, not really something I'm used to. Man, it's around 6 a.m. I had a hard time sleeping because the fish were just taunting me. I kept hearing splashing all night. But now I'm looking out onto the river and it's looking calm. Just crystal clear. Should be good kayaking conditions. Let's go. Oh man. Okay. Well, we're off from the campsite. I lost a GoPro charger and a knife. But other than that, we're good. Oh, there's a fish. Let's go. There's a big one. Nice fish. Ooh, all right. Let's go. Oh, nice little smallie. Woo. Oh man, I love smallmouth. Dang, did that thing hit? Let's go. Look how healthy that fish is. That thing is built. Woo! Let's go. Beautiful little smallmouth. First fish of the trip, but that was worth it. Dang, did that thing hit? Right on the chatterbait there. Whew. I thought I had something real big on. That's what those little smallies will do to you though. Oh, let's go. Let's go. All right, little dude. I've been fishing for, man, about 12 hours now, if you don't count the time I was sleeping. And dang, this is my first fish. A nice little smallie. I know there's monsters in here though, so we're gonna get after them. Woo! If that's my last fish of the day though, I am happy. There he goes. Let's go. Oh, bet we're on. Oh, we're on. All right, come here, buddy. Come here. Oh, landed him. Let's go. All right. All right. Second nice little smallmouth of the day. I love the colors on them here. They have some tiger stripes, huh? That's awesome. Ooh, he was hooked good. Dang, he was hooked good. Whew. All right. Let's get it. It's such a cool place to be catching them off of these rocky islands in this crazy current. That's awesome. All right. You know, honestly, if I keep getting on ones this size, I'll be happy. I'm on my last GoPro battery, but I'm gonna keep fishing until it runs out. So I'll see you, man. Woo! There he goes. Woo! That was an exciting day of camping and fishing. Super cool taking the kayak out. You know, who knows how many people have slept on that island before, so you know, it's really cool just getting to like those remote places nowhere else really goes, and just, you know, spending a night out there. Super awesome stuff. If you made it this far into the video, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed yet, do that, because there's gonna be more camping on the channel soon, and there's always fishing coming up. So, you know, let's see what happens, guys. Let's get on it.